Stinky bean, also known as petai, bitter bean, smelly bean, or twisted cluster bean, is widely consumed in Southeast Asia. The bean grows hanging from a tree, wrapped in a tough outer shell which grows in twisted clusters. Though it is commonly known as a stinky bean for its strong smell, but it comes with a lot of health benefits from consuming it. The Ministry of Health Malaysia lately released an infographic on petai, encouraging people to eat more stinky beans to stay healthy. It is commonly consumed as cooked dishes mixed with curry paste and paired with other ingredients like garlics, chillies, and shrimp paste. Though it is widely known for its ability to prevent cancer and boost immunity, I will describe some other important health benefits of a stinky bean in this video, which may encourage you to consume it more frequently. A study carried out on individuals suffering from depression disorder found that consuming a stinky bean improves the condition and makes them feel relaxed. It is because the bean contains tryptophan, a kind of protein which our body converts into a mood-enhancing chemical called serotonin. Stinky beans are frequently used for natural treatment of diabetes for its ability to lower blood sugar levels. Besides, the presence of plant sterols in stinky bean have been proven to lower LDL cholesterol levels, decreasing the chances of stroke and heart disease. Hyprolin is an anti-cancer agent found in stinky bean, which helps not only preventing cancer, but also detoxifies liver and prevents liver damage. High level of potassium and iron presence in stinky bean strengthen brain power and reduces fatigue by adding hemoglobin in blood cells. Stinky bean is rich in vitamin C. A half cup of stinky bean is equivalent to 20 mg of vitamin C, which is sufficient to meet about half of our daily requirements. Vitamin C is essential for healthy growth and rebuilding of body tissues. Calcium is a mineral which is essential for building bones and keeping them healthy. Calcium enables blood to clot, muscles to contract, and our heart to beat. About 99% of the calcium in our body is in our bones and teeth. The presence of high amount of dietary fiber in petai slows down glucose absorption from the intestine, which smoothen bowel movement and prevent weight gain. The presence of vitamin B6 and B12 along with potassium and magnesium in petai help getting over the adverse effect of nicotine withdrawal. Petai or sting bean may have more health benefits compared to what I have described in this video. It is safe to consume petai either cooked or raw as salad. However, people with kidney problems should avoid eating too much petai. I hope you have received some important information about petai in this video. If you like this video, please click the like button. And also consider subscribing the channel for more similar video in future. Thank you for watching.